A. Slanting line. Again slanting line. Sleeping line. A. A is for apple. B. Standing line. Curve line. Again curve line. B. B is for ball. C. Curve line. C for cat. D. Standing line. Curve line. D for dog. E. E. Standing line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. E for egg. F. Standing line. Sleeping line. Again sleeping line. F for fish. G. Curve line. Sleeping line. G for gun. H. Standing line. Standing line. Sleeping line. H for hand. I. Standing line. Sleeping line. Again sleeping line. I for ink pot. J. Standing line and a small curve line. J for jug. K. Standing line, slanting line, again slanting line. K for kite. L. Standing line, sleeping line. L for lion. M. Slanting line, again slanting line, again slanting line. M for mango. N. Standing line, slanting line, standing line. N. N for nest. O. Circle line. O for owl. P. Standing line and curve line. P for parrot. Q. Circle line and small slanting line. Q for queen. R. Standing line, curve line and slanting line. R for rose. S. Curve line, again curve. S for sheep. T. Standing line, sleeping line. T for tab. U. Curve line. U for unicorn. V. Slanting line, again slanting line. V for van. W. Slanting line, again slanting, again slanting line. W for watch. X. Slanting, again slanting line. X for X-ray. Y, slanting, again slanting and standing line. Y for yacht. Z, sleeping, slanting and sleeping line. Z for zebra. Please like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.